Deputy Convener of the province of KwaZulu-Natal is Commander Linet Zwane, and the coordinator of the province is Commander Sibusiso Donda Kulu.
Ekhuluma isithangamini sabezindaba unobhala jikelele weqembu uthi bakuseka ngokugcwele ubuholo obusha obuqokiwe esifundazweni futhi abangabazi ukuthi buzosebenza ngobuqotho bulandela imigomo yeqembu.
We are fully confident that they will play the roles that they've been assigned to, that they will not be involved in factionalism, they won't be part of the parallel structures, they won't be part of wrongdoing.
Iqembu liyaziphika izinsolo zokuthi kunamalungu eqembu angeneme ngobuholi obuqokiwe kwezinye izifunda.
If there are members who are aggrieved about the leadership that we have chosen, they will bring that to our attention and they must tell us why they are not happy with certain leaders that we have selected.
Umholi we-MK Party uJacob Zuma uthi basaqhubeka nokuphonsela inselele impumelelo yokhetho lukazwelonke obelibanjwe ngoNhlaba nyakenye.
We believe the courts are going to do the judgment, and that judgment must be fair to everybody.
I-MK Party ithi sayiqembu elesekwa kakhulu esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal kanti iyakholela ekutheni ke yalinqoba ukhetho lwangoNhlaba lwanyakenye kulesi sifundazwe.